What if ChatGPT could manage your tasks, emails, and schedule like a real assistant in just 5 minutes? Stick around, I'll show you how. Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into your very own personal assistant in just 5 minutes. No tech skills needed. Whether you want help with emails, scheduling, research, or reminders, this guide will have you working smarter, not harder. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can understand and generate text. Unlike traditional assistants, it can help with writing, brainstorming, planning, and automating simple tasks. Benefits: saves time, reduces stress, improves productivity. Works for students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, office workers, and more. Go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com or your preferred platform. Explain difference between free and paid versions. Show how to create an account and login. Tips for using ChatGPT app on mobile for convenience. Explain importance of clear instructions. Show example prompt. You are my personal assistant. Help me manage my daily tasks, write emails, remind me about meetings, and summarize articles. Explain how this sets the tone and focus. Encourage viewers to customize their assistant's role based on their needs, like you are a professional researcher or you are a productivity coach. Emails. Show prompt example like write a polite email to schedule a meeting next Wednesday at 3 p.m. Reminders and to-do list. Create a to-do list for today's task, finish report, call client, and grocery shopping. Research and summaries. Summarize this article on climate change in 3 bullet points. Brainstorming ideas. Give me 10 marketing ideas for a new coffee shop. Demonstrate real-time how ChatGPT responds to each. Memory and context, if available. How to remind ChatGPT about past info in conversion. Custom GPTs, ChatGPT Plus, create personalized assistant for specific tasks. Voice input or output options. Mention tools to integrate voice commands for hands-free assistance. Integrations. Talk briefly about third-party tools like Zapier that can extend ChatGPT's power. Be clear and specific in your prompts. Use follow-up questions or refine answers. Regularly update your assistant's role if your needs change. Use polite language to keep outputs professional. Save your favorite prompts for quick reuse. Now you are ready to turn ChatGPT into a powerful personal assistant and save hours every day. Start small, experiment, and watch your productivity skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Comment below how you plan to use ChatGPT as your assistant or share your favorite prompt.